to the outer storage area and go right now. Chicken. What is the prices of the radios of cars out of can Walmart? You know. I'm going to watching this one. That is 122 Cedo Door D Double D DVD and CD player. Wow. $122. Expensive. This one is 81,000 prices. This is high prices, you know, but no. This radio is very different. You know, this is the same thing. The only thing you watch movies, DVDs, songs, and only things. If these ones in watching music, DVDs, watching music, listening music, DVDs, watching movies and other videos and music videos. This is like it, you know. This